What they never told me about retiring. I thought I did everything right, but when I hit retirement age, I wasn't ready, not even close. And I want to talk about the silent crises happening to seniors across the country. We grew up believing that if we worked hard, paid our dues, and saved a little here and there, we'd retire in peace. Huh. I'm Holly, a mom, a grandmother who was in tremendous debt and could not retire at the age of 70. But the truth, my retirement savings didn't last. My cost of living skyrocketed, and I found myself staring at a scary truth. I needed to start over at 70? Ugh. That's when I found a 2-hour-a-day system that changed everything. No cold messaging, no inventory, just digital products, 100% profit, and full control. I learned how attraction marketing makes this amazing. No bothering my friends or family ever. Works 24/7 with global automation. Done for you business in a box. Just plug in, copy, paste, and post. Learn how your cell phone can earn money for you. And now I help others see what I never saw in time. This is ideal for all seniors too. If you're over 50, overworked, or overwhelmed, there is another way. You don't have to stay stuck. Comment me, and I will send you the details. And look forward to seeing you on the other side. I'm here to help you every step of the way.